Now, having just returned from Lake Como about 2 weeks ago, I've had enough time to reflect on that particular adventure from Florence. And for sure, if you can fit it into your schedule, a visit to Lake Como is a must, in my opinion. Now, also, I strongly recommend that you plan to do a private boat tour. Particularly, try and book the tour so it's in the morning, because as we know with water, oceans and so on, even lakes, the wind does blow up later in the day. So by going earlier in the morning, you get those glassy conditions on the water, as you'll see in the video clips to follow. Now, the other thing is, we stayed at Varenna, and when I tried to book a tour, all the boat tours from Varenna were booked out. But Belaggio is just 18 minutes away in a ferry, so you could book a tour from Belaggio and just catch the ferry across. Now, to help me out, our tour provider, who I booked from Belaggio, said, oh, they'll come over and pick us up from Varenna. Hey, even better. Now, I recommend that you book a private boat tour early, well in advance of arriving at Lake Como, just to avoid that disappointment. And then you just sit back, relax, and enjoy that wind whistling through your hair. Lake Como's appeal comes from the dramatic scenery of the glacier-made lake, which is surrounded by the foothills of the Alps. The beautiful gardens that you'll see surrounding the many villas along the shore. It's just a delight to experience. Expat Lifestyle with Baz. Share, thumbs up and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this episode. A private boat tour on Lake Como. Buongiorno, buongiorno.
How are you?
I'm well.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Florence is gonna be in Italy. It's a bit late.
60,000 euro,
Yep.
one night, Taylor Swift.
We stayed forward.
The whole building.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Why? Because she wanted to stay a little bit of privacy.
Because you can.
I think, and the archivist there in front with the flag, and then it has been changed.
Okay. So this is the James Bond villa, I guess, in Casino Royale. So 200,000 for the weekend.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's 200,000 euro. So do your conversions.
Fresh orange on the tree for a fresh orange juice, and you get the brew, and you get everything.
So that villa went for 40 million. About 3 years ago, the late great Robin Williams used to stay in there quite a lot, actually, from what I've just been told.
She dominated the toll because, as she told you, was a caster, so they had to have.
I am so happy to have you in my Lario Zabras private boat tour, and I wait you again to come from May till November. I'm always here to make you happy. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
That's beautiful.
And of course, if you've enjoyed this Lake Como private boat tour, then check out my previous episode on Lake Como, where I stayed at Varenna, a 2-night stay and visited Belaggio and some surrounding smaller fishing hamlets. I really enjoyed putting that episode together, as I have this one. Expat Lifestyle with Pads. Share, thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you next episode. Ciao.